People, right now, live and direct. You see? I'm sure no what go on. Yeah. Leave that alone, boss. Zane, watch the vibe now. Peeps, what go on, peeps. You don't know Hollywoodsquimc, and today is a vlog day. You don't know the vibes already, you know? So I'm there today, Sunday vibes, you don't know. I'm about to, I start already, season up some chicken for fry, and I make some ribs. Done I go up on the grill already. I done make 2 burgers because Jemiah just asked for a burger and our brother just eat a burger. And this morning we had a very good and healthy breakfast. But you know, Sunday always a day for the cooking and stuff like that. So today Sunday, like I said, we'll do some different thing. You don't know the vibes, alright? So right now, I have the ribs pan. Ooh, the fork is hot. Leave the fork on the grill. And forget to take it off. I know the fork hot. So right now, I'm gonna turn the camera around. So this I want to go on right now. See it there? Nice. Little fire underneath there. Slow cook it. You know what I say? We don't need no heap of fire to make it nice and moist. And never you ever put the fire directly under the ribs when you make ribs. You notice that? I always put it away from it a little bit so it can steam it. You don't want it to burn up the underneath the bottom of it. See? So watch this now. Oh, the fork is hot. Because I'm going to leave it on the grill like I eat that. See? Ask Nadia. Nadia have it. Sorry, I'm being interrupted. But yes, I see. Still have a little way to go. Fork hot. So right now, I want to flip it, but the fork too hot so I can't see. But yeah, so see there? Right underneath there, so. The coal look like it there right underneath it, but another underneath it. And the thing I like about this, I take out the middle part of the grill right there, so I can slide it further away. That way, when it done, say it done, after the ribs get a specific color, I can just slide it away, so it just steam the rest of the way. That way, you don't burn up underneath it. See? Yeah, sorry about that, guys. So my cousin is leaving, so see it there? So yeah, so just like that. So I return it up so you can see. Look underneath this out. Jesus. So that you want. So after it get a little color, you can just move down the forks too small feet. You know? Yeah. I see it there. Don't want it burn too much. So that's why it's always good to just move it down so the coal is not directly underneath it. And the heat will just make it moist and nice and steam well. And you just cover it down and make it stay, and that's it. And this grill right here, so I have, this is one of the best grill. It have a compartment right here if you want to grill. It's a big grill. The top right there, so this part I take out it the right there, so you know, so I can move the grill from side to side. But I got this grill from buy it from Home Depot, yeah, which was a good price, kind of expensive, but so it go. Have a bottom thing underneath there, so if you want to put anything underneath there. And yeah, so the thing's set. Alright, I'm go inside and start the fried chicken right now. I'm making a say. Okay, people. Okay, so I'm inside right now. So anytime me I make fried chicken, I have a piece of scotch bonnet pepper in there. I have onion and I have thyme. What does that do? That give it flavor. Alright, I make some rice and peas right there, so. Right, rice and peas still a bubble a little bit. And right now, I just turn back on the fire. The fire was off because people was in here. I'm gonna really like cook when people they're in here, especially like fried chicken and them something there. Alright? So right now, the chicken I'm gonna take out the chicken. So this right here is the chicken. I seasoned up this chicken from last night. I'm gonna take it out this morning. And I put it in this bag from last night. Like I said, seasoned it up with everything. And this morning I'm gonna take it out and I put some flour on it, shake it up, and then put it back in the fridge so that it can get nice and dry. Because one thing I hate sometimes when you making it and you put the flour upon it, you have to put egg, this, that. I like put dip egg in everything. Sometimes egg is just so raw, I can't do with it sometimes. So I just shake it up, put it in the fridge, and just let it just Take a little time and make love. So now, see it there? Well flour and ready for fry. When you flour it, sometimes the flour just drop off of it right away. So it better, you guys could try to do that, you know. So I took it out the fridge, had it. I'm gonna let it sit for a little while, not too long. And then I'm gonna start putting in the pot and make love. But the fire, I forget hot. And the pepper, I gotta get some flavor. The onion, I get some flavor. And the thyme, I gotta get some flavor. You know, the chicken have enough flavor already, but I always like to put stuff in my pot so it can get flavor. Full even more. Another thing on the menu is macaroni and cheese. I like to use baked ziti. I like to use ziti noodles in my macaroni and cheese, along with the regular macaroni and cheese, and I seasoned it up and everything like that. Yeah, I season it up. I put flavor in there to make it taste good. Alright, and I like to use I like a coconut milk, make it boil nice and everything like that, and boy, it will come out good. So after I done make it and everything like that, I just put it in the fridge to sit. And you know, I got every time that give time for soak, and now I'm gonna pour some cheese over the top of it and just put it in the oven right about now and let it just stay in there until me things say that. You know, Jamaican people, we don't really give no time for nothing. We just say, yeah, dash a handful of seasoning, dash this, dash that, put in the oven. When you feel like say it done, you take it out, and that's how it go. That's how we make us the best cooks in the world. Yeah, I say best cooks in the world. Sunday Vibes. And if you didn't check out my last video, be sure to check it out. The link is going to be in the description below. I pranked my wife and told her that she had to change her mani and pedicure appointment. Very funny. Going to be seeing a lot more pranks on this channel. And a lot more cooking and stuff like that, you know. That's what this is going to be about now. I'm going to be very consistent. So right now, I put the chicken in the pot because the oil nice and spicy. And hot. So sorry about that, guys. So right now, the oil is nice and hot. So that's what I like to see. So I can start putting some more pieces of chicken in there. So we'll put this one right here. And I'm not going to fill the pot up with too much chicken because I want the chicken fry nice. Alright, so we're just going to put 3 pieces in the pot and make them fry. Yeah, that's it right there. I'm going to put them more in there. Look at that onion, man. So you know, say the oil is well full of flavor. Look at the pepper. Woo! Alright, so forward. While that I go and take a look in my fish tank. Watch there. Yo, this is one thing I love, fish. Yeah, and also in the description below is my fishing channel, so be sure to check that out. I do some fishing videos where I catch, clean and cook them. You know, yeah, but right there, sir. Woo, look at my fish right here. Them can yam. Yeah, so you know the chicken I fry good when what? Red meat come outside. You see that? So look at that. Oh, it's not mad golden right here. Yeah. Take this. Yeah. Turn it like that. Look at that. Wow. Yep. And one thing I like to do while I'm frying chicken, let me show y'all. Hold on. I like to take the chicken and squeeze it in. Put another fork. Pour it down and squeeze it. Why do that? So that both sides get cooked properly. So you see, as soon as I press down it in it start bubble up more. Why? Because it's a fry decent and good. Yeah, you see it now? Yo, this is gonna be scrumptious. Scrumptious. So alright, look at that. Nicely fried. See that? Looks scrumptious. Yeah. Very nicely fried, looks very scrumptious. And if you want, you can put them in the oven for a little bit also. Alright? If you don't want that crunchy taste, you take it and you put it in the oven. But this for me is a go. Yeah, so right now I have an air fryer. And I said to myself, I said today, you know what? I want to try the air fryer because I had seasoned up some fish. Right? At first I was gonna put the chicken in there, but the last time my wife used the air fryer, with the chicken, I didn't really like the results. So maybe it was just, I don't know, but we put on the right time and everything. So let me throw in the fish on. We seasoned up some fish yesterday. I put on the air fryer right now. Alright, hold on. Look at that. Those are thighs. The thighs are so big I had to cut them in two, but I really wish you guys could smell the aroma coming from the pot right now. Alright, I'm gonna put another piece of pepper in there because I want the chicken nice and spicy. My daughter Jemiah don't like spice, Jalea don't care, and Jalea will eat it, but I love spice. I think fried chicken should have a little bit of spiciness to it. It's not, maybe it's just the Jamaican in me, but you know us Jamaican, we like for food hot, and we like for food to have spice and flavor. See? Yeah, so, yeah. The onions did it justice. The thyme did it justice. Yes, so this is going to be very good. Let's space them out so that them can fry properly. Because I don't know why this I touch this like to them married. Yeah. See that? Alright. So guys, right now we're down to the last final pieces, right? Almost dinner time. 4 something right now. Dinner time is about 6 o'clock or so because that's when we eat dinner here. We just put on some veggies right now. We have some zucchini, broccoli, some black pepper, and I'm gonna throw some garlic and onion powder on it. That's how I like to make my steamed vegetable. I like to turn the pot on and turn it down low. I don't use any water because every vegetable has water in it, so it's gonna make its own water, all right? So I don't put no water, nothing in there like that. I just spray a little olive oil on top of it, and that's it. I just cover it down and turn it down low and let it steam, all right? You don't have to put nothing else in there. Season it to your liking, and that's it. That's just it. So here we go. We put a little garlic powder. Get me a little bit, but that's okay. I mean, that was onion powder. This is the garlic powder, and a little garlic powder. And guess what? When it simmer down and everything, we just turn it and turn the vegetables and turn the seasoning in there, and guess what's gonna happen? It's gonna make love. Alright? So now the next time you guys are gonna see me is when everything is done and I have a plate in front of me, alright? I think I did enough recording with how I make this stuff on Sundays and stuff like that, alright? Okay guys? I might show the ribs. You know what? Let me show you how the ribs is coming along right now. The ribs is looking very good out there right now. So let's go take a look at the ribs right now. Let me cover this up. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a piece of foil paper. Hold on a second, guys. And there's a hole right here in the pot. I like to cover that hole up so that the steam does not come out of the pot. It just comes to the top and goes back down to the bottom so that the cabbage and everything else is steamed lovely. All right, hold on a second. Here it is. The hole is covered up right there on both sides. All right, so I just take it. Let's cover my pot. Like I said, I don't turn the fire up too high. I turn it down low. All right. Because guess what? It's gonna make its own gravy like that. Just like when you're making any other meat, you make stew chicken or oxtail or whatever. Put it on early. After you fry it, put it in the pot. Turn the fire down low. It's gonna make its own vegetables, its own gravy. Okay. All right. Let's go outside and take a look at the ribs, and then after that, you'll see my plate that I have after everything is finished. So look at that. That's how the ribs is looking right now. Ooh. Jesus. It's gonna be so good. When I'm cutting it, I'm gonna take it off and cut it so you guys can see it. All right. So that's just what it looks like. That's honey barbecue sauce. I just had some regular barbecue sauce. I just put a little honey in it and a little bit of brown sugar. All right, to give it a little kick. So, yeah. All right. So I'm just gonna leave it. Let it just stay, and that's it. By the time this done, the meat is going to be practically falling off the bone. All right, like I said. Now I put the coal underneath the little bit because there's not so much coal, so it can steam properly. And we're not burning up the bottom of it, which is a good thing, you know? Looks good, yeah. All right. All right. All right, so now we're going to cut this. Whew. that. No, Jaleel, stop. Take a look at that. That's well done right there. That's what you call well done ribs. Alright guys, so this is the finished place. I got the fried chicken, the ribs, macaroni and cheese, rice and peas, some veggies, and my rice looks a little bit moist because my wife made some amazing gravy. One day I'll show you guys how to make that, but right now, yeah, I know the plate is messy. I don't care, whatever. Everything's going one place. So right now, I just want to say thank you guys for watching. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, turn post notification on, hit the like button, and guess what? We are gone. Right, Maya?